Welcome friends. Tonight we are diving into Ramadhani street food madness in Mombasa. The Makadara ground are alive with sizzling grills, vibrant crowds, and an ifutari food frenzy you won't forget. Stick around for the flavors, the fun, and the madness. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the feast.
Karibuni, kuna nyama moto hapa na tuko na maini hapa, welcome. Na tuko na Vitoria hapa. Vitoria ndo hivi. Hizi ndo Vitoria wenyewe. Alafu tuko na maslash, ndo flash. Karibuni nyote kwa mall slash Anchoma. Haina ujia hii.
Yeah, no, still okay. Eka nyama moja, maini moja. Iko sawa. Moja shilingi ngapi? 950. Sawa. Look. You let it back. Asante ni nini?
We have Korean condos. There's with cheese, there's without cheese. The one he's eating is chicken cheese. That's our most viral item.
So,
And if you don't like cheese, we also have the option of people who don't like cheese. That's classic chicken. It's full chicken. And if you don't like any sausage, you take cheese hot dog. Cheese hot dog is basically no sausage.
no
Just
sausage.
cheese. Classic chicken.
Yes.
Potato
Topping.
topping, but today sijafanya. And then I deep fried to golden brown.
Oh, okay.
Ramen. And then I hold it so that the ramen sticks in it. Breadcrumb.
Oh. Eka tu. Actually, we want to take away if
No
possible.
problem. You close it up.
Okay.
This is mustard. And the chili.
Chili.
I can't. There we go. Okay, close it up for you. This is how the noodle on this side.
So hapa kuna nini na nini?
Hii ni strawberry na grapes, alafu na dip na chocolate.
Take away. Yeah. Hapo sawa. kila kitu. Hiyo ni mayo.
Watu wa BBC London lazima waje wako na chef hapa. Original chef.
Chef nani? Sawa.
Nairobi tunafanya kazi mpaka ndani ya Zitech University.
Sawa sawa.
Tunafanya kazi sisi vijana wa kazi.
Wazi. Hii ni maembe ya
Yemen.
Ya Yemen?
Yemen. From Yemen.
Na hii ni?
Hii ni plain.
Tayari bro.
Fla Mixi Tacos. Welcome to Village Rawat, Mombasa. Mombasa raha my friend.
So tutandrapia iwe take away. Waza kunitengeneza take away?
Yeah.
Sawa, ya cinnamon roll. Moja. Umependa hiyo? Oye, Alamin. Ni aje? Hapo kwa nini? Salsa, strawberry, lemon, mango, blueberry, tamarind, Governor 001.
Yes, ndio hiyo Governor.
Ah. So which is the best?
Governor is the best.
Ndio hiyo Governor. Instant. So umesema there's mint, strawberry,
lemon mix,
oh.
and
Okay.
What a night at Makadara grounds. From sizzling mishakiki to sweet mango slush. Mombasa truly knows how to turn Ramadani into a street food festival. Thanks for joining us on this street food madness adventure. If you enjoyed the frenzy, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more delicious journeys. Until next time, keep the flavors alive.